friends, now let's see how to do carrot rice for babies from 6 months onwards. First we have to add 3 spoons of rice and we have to soak it for around half an hour. Then we have to take a pan. In this pan we have to pour 1 spoon of ghee. In that we have to put grated carrot. I have taken a small carrot. And then we have to add the soaked rice. We have to pour thrice the amount of water that we taken for rice. It will take around half an hour for it to cook on the gas. If you want fast, you can cook it in pressure cooker. You can leave 3 whistles, and then we have to transfer the cooked rice to the mixer grinder. After we blend it, our carrot rice for babies is ready. We can serve it to babies from 6 months onwards. You can add salt for the babies above 1 year.